Welcome back to Arc El Paso, everybody. Now it's time for our weekly segment, Legal Jargon. So I'm joined here now by attorney Daniela Labinoti, who's going to answer some of our law questions we have in our head. So this week, with holiday plans are coming up. We're entering that holiday season, and a lot of people, of course, travel to go see their loved ones, to go see their family members during Thanksgiving, during Christmas. And so the question we have this week is just, let's say I already had some travel plans in place to go visit my family for one of these holiday events, and I then get selected for jury duty. From my understanding, it's pretty random. What are my options? Do I have to I don't know. What do I even do? Do I just have to go? Do I have to cancel my trip, or what can I do?
I know actually a friend of mine, then they got a jury duty summons while they were going to honeymoon in Hawaii. So this actually happens not just for, the holidays, but it could happen to people on special events like weddings or honeymoons. So do not ignore the summons of jury duty. That is super important, because if you do, I have seen judges that will subpoena you and summon you to go to court, and they will give you a hefty fine. And judges have a lot of power to sanction you, and the sanction could be fine, jail, so do not ignore it. But if you are having the situation, call the number and then just make sure you contact their department. There is a deferral, meaning they can pass you for another trial that is coming up, or they will give you an excuse. So the system is there to help you, not to punish anyone. So as long as you call and as long as you contact them and you give them a reason, then they will work with you. So absolutely call and let them know, and I'm sure they'll pass you, or they'll tell the judge of the reason, and they will notify the court, so you will not get sanctioned.
Okay, so it's not like back when, just like skipping high school or anything. You don't need to even show a legitimate doctor's note or anything like that. You can even just say, I have plans, I'm not coming, I'm deferring it.
It depends on what they ask. Every court has different procedures. So it depends. If it's federal court, has a different protocol. If it's state court, has a different protocol. So you have to call the number, and they will give you all the protocols you need to follow.
Okay.
So, and they might ask for that, and if they do, you have to provide it, but you do not ignore it. So just don't ignore it.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. Well, thank you, Daniela. And all right, y'all. Well, every week we ask these law questions to attorney Daniela Labinoti. So make sure if you get jury duty, and it don't matter if you have plans, you got to answer it. Don't ignore it. Don't ignore the jury duty. That could be bad for you. But stick around on Arc El Paso, because we got a lot coming up in the show.